Wala siyang marking. Nakita nyo? And mapi. Mapi yung park neutral, reverse, and mapi. Wala siya. No marking here. Park neutral, reverse, right? And now, this car is coming here. This is the first situation, huh? According to our customer, this car is changing here. Then this car is won't start without using the outer wire, like this. And nakita. But now I need to repair this. The problem is this is no park neutral reverse drive marking in dashboard. And then misfired, and then not starting in ignition key, only direct wire. That's the problem, all problem. Okay, start again silik. Sura.
Start.
Moyod. Tani. Happy. Ada sa cut fuse. Aywa, the corner cut fuse. Ada.
Start.
Tani. Aywa, there's a supply, but not. That's a problem. Number one. Okay. Now it's okay. Now the fuse is okay, good. Bali mga kaibigan, ang naging problema na itong Hyundai Sonata na to, 2011 model. Bali nawala ng ground tong kanyang relay starter, ha. Tapos pumutok yung fuse niya doon sa loob. Bali ngayon nilagyan natin. Start! So ngayon na-start na ngayon dito. Yan, maandar na siya ngayon. Okay. So this is that one is exhaust, exhaust BBT P0365. Okay. Wait. Transmission range, alam niyo dito. First time remove, not washer maigi remove. Not remove washer. Hyundai Sonata 2011 mga kaibigan, ito na pi-update natin. Meron na siyang P, meron na siyang reverse, and D. Okay na. Andarin na natin, testing natin. P, R, N, D. Alin api kaldabog. Wala na. R, D, N. Okay. Palas. Alin ko isa update